Hi, my name is Chris Edwards, drummer for Dying Breed out of Baltimore, Maryland, and content creator under Tattooed Drummer on all your socials. I play the Collision 5A drumsticks. I really like the weight and the balance of these sticks. They're a natural feel in your hands, they're a natural extension of your hands, and they're phenomenal to play around the drums. Also really love the durability. I quit playing wood tips years ago and switched to nylons, which I never really loved. When I got involved with Collision Drumsticks, I wanted to go back to the wood tips because of their durability. 2 shows, 2 weeks of rehearsals for their shows. These sticks are going strong. The tips are still fully intact. And finally, I really love the customer service with these guys. They've been really great to me. They're very responsive, and they answer all my questions. The song I'm going to be doing a drum cover of today is Cowboys from Hell by Pantera. I chose the song because the first time I heard it, it blew me away. I was working lights for a band, and my best friend was the lead guitarist for the band. We took a bus to the local mall in Myrtle Beach, went in, dug through the cassettes, trying to find something new. Came across Pantera, Cowboys from Hell, bought it, went back to the bus, popped it in the tape deck, and the first thing you hear is Dime's riff, and it's just mesmerizing. And when Vinny comes in, it just completely blew me away. So here goes Pantera, Cowboys from Hell. Thanks for listening.
Nobody touches us at all. Shout out, shoot out, spread fear of them without us. When an attack walks off the wheel, spread the word throughout the land. We say, bad guys, we're black, we're taking cancer. You see us coming and you all together run for cover. We'll take it over this time. Carry it now, reach for your gun, and you better listen well, my friend. You see, it's best now, down below. You and the devils are now. Tears down of everyone. They talking no tall tales, but it's just I knew your doom would come me out with the devils are now. See it. Oh, this is the village, so I should see, but better not take it out on me, cause your sound is found where your city used to be. So out of the darkness and into the light, sparks fly everywhere inside from our double barrel